This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, July the 19th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, you can see the westerlies beginning to dive south into the upper Midwest and over our neck of the woods as the ridge begins to break down and shift off to our west. And with that, that'll bring a cold front through, and that could bring us some showers and thunderstorms. They'll be widely scattered, and some places may not get any rain out of this, which will be a shame for those that haven't had a whole heck of a lot of rain the last 1 to 2 weeks. But when we take a look at the high-res NAM, this is also at 1 o'clock. You can see there's that line of potential showers and storms from northeast Iowa through central into southwestern Iowa, and then up into Wisconsin and into lower Michigan. You can see at 4 p.m. those storms will be moving through places like the northern suburbs of Chicago, Rockford, the Quad Cities, down to Ottumwa, with a little bit of rain behind it over northeast into central Iowa. And then as we head into 10 o'clock, you can see there could be some thunderstorms in south central into eastern Iowa as the main system begins to move off to the south and east with other showers and storms around. And then as we head to Saturday as well, we still could see some showers and thunderstorms around as well, but mainly across western and far southern Iowa as another complex comes in that could bring us rain here on Sunday. And speaking of Sunday, back to the GFS, you can see there's that rain that we saw in the high-res NAM. It'll be moving in here on Sunday, so some more showers and thunderstorms, and that's going to be grateful for the dry weather we've had. Unfortunately, it comes in the weekend, but it comes into early next week as well. Here on Monday, we can still see some showers and thunderstorms scattered about. There could be some sunshine intermixed as well. Highs will be a lot cooler, down into the upper 70s to low to mid-80s. That looks to continue here even into Tuesday. Highs will be a lot cooler, low to mid-80s. The humidity will be a lot less. It won't feel like the mid to upper 90s that it will be today, however. Heading off to Wednesday, high pressure nearby. Temperatures, seasonal, highs in the low to mid-80s, maybe a few upper 70s. Any rain will be along the east coast, the south, and then up in the northern high plains. And then that northern high plain system will be coming at us here on Thursday with some showers and thunderstorms possible once again late in the day across the state up into Wisconsin, Minnesota, and the UP of Michigan. And as we head to a week from today, you can see that trough digging in across the Great Lakes, ridge over the west, a fairly flat ridge, but it's beginning to pump itself up even into the prairie provinces of Canada and even into the Nunavut province. And with that, we'll have the typical monsoonal flow over the west with some showers and storms in the afternoon and evening. Some showers around here, but mainly off to our south and well off to our east, with still seasonal weather. A couple days after that, into the extended on July the 30th, there's that ridge we've talked about the last couple of days over the west, but we have a north to northwesterly flow around here with a trough over the eastern about third of the country. And that'll keep temperatures fairly tepid, with readings still likely near seasonal levels in the low to mid-80s. Maybe a shower or storm around, can't really rule it out, but no real organization at this time. We'll have to wait a few more days. And at the end of the forecast on August the 3rd, still have the 594 ridge mainly centered over the Four Corners region. We still have a northwesterly flow that'll keep a lot of the hot weather well off to our west, and that'll keep us at least with some showers and thunderstorm chances around, but at this point, they'll be off to our east. Another system may be off to our north and west, and temperatures, as I said, will likely be near seasonal levels in the low to mid-80s. The satellite image from last evening, we had the upper level low over northwestern Mexico that's bringing the monsoonal flow into the south and west. Few scattered thunderstorms beginning to decay over the south, and severe weather along the U.S.-Canadian border into New England. The watch warning map from last evening, we still had the heat advisories from eastern Iowa, southeast Minnesota, eastward through the Great Lakes into New England, a severe thunderstorm watch over northern Minnesota, and some flash flood issues still around El Paso, Texas. The QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock shows, if this is to be right, rainfall could be quite significant, maybe 1 to as much as 2 inches of rain. It may be a little bit less than that. It could be a little bit more than that. We hope it's a little more than that.